The Raymond Library was built in 1929 on land donated to the city for a library, and in 1979, this building was added to the National Register of Historic Places. During the 2020 pandemic, Raymond Library was refreshed with many improvements and upgrades. Let's take a look at some of the changes. New easier-to-clean flooring was installed throughout the building. The new flooring helps us provide a clean and safe environment. Upgrades were made in the public restrooms. The plaster on the chimney was repaired and painted. Displays were updated with shelving rearranged along the wall to allow more open space, more light, and more seating options. The updated display areas ensure accessibility for all patrons. You can easily navigate our collection, find your next favorite book, and enjoy in comfort. Even the busiest of patrons can check out their materials using the self-checkout machine. Thank you to the Board of Trustees, the Friends of the Raymond Timberland Library, and the City of Raymond. See you soon at your Raymond Timberland Library.